In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw the base for the slider assembly. The base is 12 inches long, 4 inches tall. We have this two cylinders to extrude over here, and then these two tracks for the slider to go in between. So I've already set up a project in Inventor. If you don't know how to do that, you should go here to settings, and you would click new and then set up a folder for that. I am starting with a new standard IPT, and I'm going to first extrude the base part. So I'll start a sketch and begin with that 4x12 rectangle. So 12 tab 4, finish that, and then I can extrude that the 1/2 inch. Again, all the sizes come off the PDF plan set that are on Schoology. Next thing I would do is I'm going to rotate this, and I'm going to draw my two circles. My one is 1.5, and then the other is a 0.5 inch diameter, and then I need to locate those. So I'm locating off of the left edge here at 2 inches, and I'm locating off the top or bottom also at 2 inches. Then I can finish that sketch and go to extrude. I'm going to extrude the center circle first, and I'm going to put that up the inch that it needs. And then I'm going to extrude the outer ring. Now my sketch disappeared, so over here in extrusion 2, I'll open the plus, and then I'll right click on sketch 2 and make it visible, and then I can go ahead and extrude that up the 0.5. If I'm finished with this sketch and I don't want to look at it again, I can right click and turn its visibility back off so it doesn't confuse me later on. I'm going to create the track next, so I'll be sketching on the back side here. And we are creating this section right here, these L shapes. I'm going to draw one of these, extrude it, and then mirror it to the other side to save a little bit of time. So I'm going to start by projecting cut edges, so that gives me my geometry down here. Then I'll begin with a rectangle. I'm not going to snap into anything, and then I will add some dimensions. So the total from the plan set is 1.5 tall, and the offset from the edge is 1 inch over. And then we have that L shape to slice in here, so we're going to put that in, and then we'll add a few more dimensions to finish this up. From the edge over to here, we're looking for a dimension of 1.5. And then we're looking from here to the bottom as 1.25. And also 1.25 from here to the outer edge. Again, that's all found back in the PDF plan set. At that point, I am ready to extrude that, so I will extrude this. This is going 6 inches, and it's going back in this direction. Now, to mirror that to the other side, I will need a work plane. So I'm using the mid plane between two planes, and I'm selecting this edge here, and then I'm going to go over here and grab this one. That gives me my mid plane. And then I can go to the mirror tool, select the extrusion that I want to mirror, and then grab mirror plane and touch on that. If I don't want to see the mirror plane anymore, don't delete it, but you can turn the visibility off. And at that point, you want to save that into that project folder. And I am calling this one base. I had another one there, so I'll call this base 1. And then we can close this file, and we'll start with another one that'll pick up in the next video.